Don't miss the second annual TRC Street Kings event held at Palm Beach International Raceway, February 16th, 2019.
Look what we got here!
What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. I'm out here with my boy Sam, and today we're featuring Josh's badass MR2. This thing makes stupid power. So I've already had a chance to ride in a handful of really fast MR2s. So today we're gonna pop Sam's cherry and go for a ride in this MR2.
What's up guys, Sam from TRC back again. Pretty stoked about today's feature because me being a Honda guy, even though this isn't exactly a Honda, it's got that Honda power plant. Josh was kind enough to bring his car out today, let us do a couple rips. Appreciate that, man. Thing is freaking sweet. I love MR2s and I love Hondas, so this is just hitting all the buttons for me. All right, so Josh, if you can, give us a little breakdown on the engine setup and the build here.
It's a real simple setup. Stock sleeves K20, 62, 66, PPG 134 dog box, and final drive. Pro J 8 injector intake.
This is a K20 out of it. Did you buy the engine separate, or did you pull it out of a car, or how did you acquire the engine?
It's out of an RSX.
RSX?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a built motor though. Carrillo rods, pistons.
Okay. You said Carrillo rods?
Yeah.
Carrillo
rods.
What kind of pistons?
It's got CP pistons in it.
CPs?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, Pre-on2 stage 2 cams in it. You know, stock sleeves. Yeah.
What about the head? Is the head built at all?
No, the head's got Ferrari springs and retainers.
Okay.
Not stock ported. Just real simple, you know. Stuff you can order off the shelf.
Yeah,
and,
nice little bolt motor.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy. You said you built the block
non-radical, just works.
And then tell me about the turbo setup on there.
It's a 62, 66 precision.
Okay.
Journal bearing. Top mounted manifold.
Is that a tile wastegate I'm seeing down there?
Tile wastegate, 60mm wastegate, yes.
Yeah.
Tile blow-off valve.
Nice.
Yep.
What about the injectors?
Injectors are FIC 1650s.
Are you on E85 or are you on pump gas?
It's on E85. Okay. It's got 8 injectors.
See that? I noticed they're pretty up there, man.
It's got a lot of fuel.
Yeah.
Bosch 44s. You know, it's real simple.
Thing runs nice, man. Even over here, it's pretty smooth. How much power? Have you downloaded it yet? Or?
I've made over 800. I didn't
make it treatable and
yeah. I didn't get caught up too much on the numbers because the car runs good. I'm happy with it. You know.
Absolutely, man, yeah.
So. Exhaust runs right down the middle of the trunk.
Yeah, it's badass.
And the cooler's mounted in the back. I'll take a look at it. And it goes in the
so
back.
Awesome.
It's got fans. Firewall's cut out. Easy to work on.
The fans on the intercooler.
Everything is custom set up for it, basically.
And the intercooler, what size intercooler is it?
It's a 5-inch intercooler.
5-inch, yeah. This is cool. I really like the setup you guys did back here.
Holy shnikes. Yeah.
Get a shot of that. So you can actually see the tire. Let's see if you can put my hand right here. See the tire through the wall right here. And how did that come to be? You guys widened the car, right?
The car's widened, yeah. That's one of the reasons I picked this car up, is because it sits. It's a 10-inch rim, 15 by 10, and it sits on the wheel. It doesn't sit all goofy like most MR2s.
Yeah, no, it sits beautiful. I mean, look at the stance on this thing. Just a really, really cool build, man. Plenty of power for the weight on this thing.
Yeah.
How much weight do you know? Have you weighed it yet before?
It weighs
or no?
2,300.
2,300?
Without me in it.
Without you?
Yeah. So it's probably right around 25.
That's light.
Yeah.
That is super light, yeah.
Part of hooks? Yeah.
Hell yeah. Well, jump in this bad boy. That thing hooks nice.
It's got a lot of power, man.
Yeah.
Very fun car to drive.
Super fun.
Yeah.
Hooks up nice.
Hooks up nice. You got Honda mile an hour on it.
Quick.
Yeah.
What do you redline at in this car?
9,500.
9,500 redline, guys.
Yeah.
That is absolutely insane. What about the wheel and tire setup on here? Give me a quick rundown on the wheel and tire
Front,
setup.
it's got front skinnies, 17-inch skinnies in the front. The back's got 15x10. Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, 275, 50, 15s.
Yeah, and those things hook up real nice.
Yeah, man. 10-inch wheel.
Just feel the grip and go.
Yeah. So feels. I've had about 3 evolutions, and it feels like that.
Yeah.
You know, just power's applied. You know, everything you give it takes.
Yeah, it doesn't feel sketchy.
No, it doesn't. It's very stable.
I was expecting it to be like a little all over the place.
No, it's very, very smooth. It's almost like a motorcycle where it just
good power delivery.
It just, it just delivers power. It hooks up. It's not violent. You know, it just.
You know, I was super impressed, man. You did a fantastic job with this car.
It just pushes you in the seat.
A lot of fun, yeah. I'm all f***ed up over here. So you've always been kind of an MR2 guy, right? You had a couple other MR2s.
I wouldn't call myself an MR2 car, but I've had them. This would be my 3rd one. Okay. The other ones have been Toyota powered cars. Okay. If anybody's had a 3S MR2, they know the mother work. They can make power. There's, I mean, a few of those guys are 3S purists, but I prefer the Honda K20 motor.
Yeah, 100%. fun rides I've had for all the features we've done. So I gotta give you a huge thank you, man.
Oh man,
Josh came all the way from in a car that has no AC, even though it's nice out today.
Yeah, it's really nice.
No AC, no radio, PPG gearbox. It's a little bit of a ride for a car like this, so
yeah.
Definitely much respect and appreciate that a lot, man. Very much so. Man, another thing I want to comment on, doesn't really have the same Honda sound that I'm used to. I guess maybe because of the exhaust?
Probably because most K-Series cars, turbocharged cars, are sidewinders. It changes the sound.
Really? With the turbo setup?
Yeah, when you have the long you know, tubes.
Yeah, because this sounds a lot meatier. It sounds fantastic though, either way. A lot of turbo noise. Looks incredible. The car's got AEM Series 2, right? Software?
Yeah, it's got a Series 2 in it, tuned by CMB Tuning.
CMB Tuning, okay. The PPG gearbox that's in there.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit more about that gearbox.
It's a 1 through 4 dog engagement.
Okay. Very aggressive, I can tell.
Yeah, it's very aggressive. You got to be firm when you shift it. You can daily it, I guess. You just got to, you know, be firm with your shifts.
You can daily it. I like that.
You know, if you like sweating and if you like smelling like fuel, yeah, that's the way you can do it, man. Some girls like that kind of cologne. My buddy that I purchased a car from, he's one that did the body work. He has a body shop in Jacksonville, Florida.
Okay.
And it's all metal. It's not fiberglass. So I think it's the way Toyota should have done it.
Yeah.
So it looks,
push it out a little bit.
Yeah, it looks stock. It's very subtle. People don't notice it's different. You can stare at it for a while.
Yeah, absolutely. You see the rear tire already draws a lot of attention. The back got me staring at it, and I'm like, this looks a little bit wide.
Yeah, it's a lot wider. So I mean,
very cool, man.
It's got a fat butt.
Okay, that made me pucker up a little bit. Well, Gallardo showed up here during our shoot. So this guy pops his hood, and this is what's underneath.
5-gallon fuel cell.
A 5-gallon fuel cell.
I gotta carry 5 gallons with me so I can make it back. So.
That's awesome.
You know, if it's you know, up here where the front.
This guy's living the real streetcar life right here, man. This is dedication right here.
Yeah. Good thing I don't drive this thing every day.
Might be a little bit of a fire hazard in the event of a front end accident, but
yeah.
Otherwise.
Yeah, no shit.
I mean, you get hit in the back, it's no different. Small car. That race gas. Oh, hello. Maybe they want to run.
You want to get like, I can do a 2-step.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I didn't know you had a 2-step on here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not enough, man.
That's good. That'll do it.
All right, brother.
Thanks, man. Have a safe trip back, man. All right, guys. Sam from TRC signing off. Hope you enjoyed the feature. See you next time. Peace.